In this video, I'll walk through how to use the alternate ELPA generator in LPAC EasyDocs. This tool is designed for students who participate in the alternate ELPA assessment, helping you generate accurate, consistent LPAC documentation while keeping all student data local and FERPA compliant. Make sure your student data is entered correctly in your ALT ELPA template. First, I will download the CSV file. Next, we will open our LPAC hub. Download CSV. And now I will go to where I have saved the LPAC hub on my desktop and choose LPAC Form Hub. From the LPAC Generator Hub, select the Alternate ELPA option. This opens the generator specifically designed for students assessed using ALT ELPA. Before working with student data, enter your district and year information. This information will automatically populate across all generated documents, saving time and ensuring consistency. Next, choose your CSV file. I now have the option to select all students by clicking the button. I can select individual students. And I notice that when I select all students, this student scored proficient. I am going to uncheck him from this documentation form because I will complete the monitoring tool for him. I will now click Continue with selected students. I now have the opportunity to select the date of the LPAC meeting, and I can choose default classroom scaffolds that I would want. I can then later update these when I look at individual students. I might even add a note to follow the student's IEP, since these students have an IEP document. Again, I can select default settings for their testing accommodations. And I now have the opportunity to put my signature information. Because I have students from multiple campuses in the same spreadsheet, I am going to choose to leave the administrator name and classroom teacher counselor name blank. This will still generate a line for those people to sign, but will not write a name on the form. My ESOL designee is the same for all of my campuses, so I can go ahead and fill that in. I then also can choose the date of the parent notification. Now I will continue to individual customization. At this point, I have the opportunity to choose my specific students from the top menu, or I can scroll through. So for this student, I am going to remove some of the default that I don't think that this student needs. I am also going to add that this student needs individual testing. I will go to the next student. And on this student, I might need to even add a few other accommodations. And maybe this student can handle small group testing. I will now generate all documents. At this point, I can look through my documents and see how they have done. If I need to go back and make any changes, I can. When I get to the bottom, I noticed that only my sample ESOL designee was typed, leaving my administrator and classroom teacher fields blank, where those individual people can sign it at those campuses. I can now click Print All Documents. I now have the opportunity to either save these as a PDF for future reference, or I can print them out. I would recommend saving as a PDF before you print them, as all data will be deleted once you close your browser window. The alternate ELPA generator is designed to reduce manual entry while maintaining accuracy and compliance. Thank you for using LPAC EasyDocs, and we hope this tool helps simplify your alternate ELPA documentation process.